How to level up fast in Growtopia, especially for beginners. Since if you're a pro now, then you should be able to know how to do that already. But if you've just started the game, one of the first things you get XP from is just doing the quest normally. So you should be able to see this little guy over here, which tells you what to do in the first place. So right now we have created an account to be able to show you. So I'm already on the cargo shorts tree option, but uh, as long as you follow these quests or little missions for a beginner guide, it's gonna give you that free beginner XP, which should give you like a little head start, especially on the next stuff you're going to do for faster XP sources. So for anything, make sure you finish the beginner tutorials or the main quest. So it's very simple. If you wanted to be faster or know how to do it, just press on this thing question, which will literally tell you exactly what to do depending on, of course, what environment you have and what level you are. So it even tells you how to pull up the inventory and how to wear cargo shorts. But anyways, so we had to restart again, but you can focus on the more faster XP sources. So we're just gonna give you what the XP stuff in this game is. So Growtopia XP mainly comes from splicing your seeds. You should already know how to do that from doing the tutorial. Planting and harvesting crops, breaking blocks. Yeah, even breaking blocks apparently gives you XP in a way. Completing achievements, doing daily quests. You should be able to see the little events and quests in the left, and using XP boosters like potions, rings, or arts. There's stuff you can do and get in this game to get that extra XP. So before you do XP gaining stuff, make sure you're using those bonuses. This way, it's much faster and more worth it. There's more value to those items, especially if you gain them early on. So you can look into different worlds and stuff for trades for items like those. So one of the first things you can do is just massive seed splicing. So since you have your own world with your own world lock, you can go ahead and set up your farm and then start splicing your seeds. So before anything, especially since you're just a beginner, the best seeds for fast XP, and since you already have access to it, is dirt plus rock. This is basically one of the most cheapest seeds for fast XP. So just go ahead and splice those. You gain access to it immediately, and there's a lot of space. Make sure to have a flat space, I guess. Actually, it pretty much depends on you. But anyways, cave plus grass as well. You go on access to that, and then sugarcane and plus pretty much anything cheap. And put in mind, this is the early on XP, so it's still before the actual high XP trees like chandeliers or ladders or pepper trees. But once you get there, you should already know how to get those XPs fast, since it is a more advanced area, but pretty much almost the same idea, honestly. Also, one thing is that if you want some sort of goal or pathway to getting this XP, you could just go ahead and do the guide, which we already mentioned, or do your achievements, since basically achievements is a pathway to gaining XP, and maybe you want some progression type of XP gaining. So grind your achievements as well. You should be able to see it in your profile, and you'll be able to see your achievements over here. So you can take a look on how to get these, since these does give you huge XP bursts, especially some easy achievements like planting seeds or splicing the seeds. Even breaking blocks have a achievement to it. I think 1,000 blocks something. So all you have to do is just break blocks. Complete trade quests, craft items, punch 10,000 blocks, which is basically an auto grind. You can level 1 to 20 insanely fast this way. So achievements, one of the best ways for XP as well, especially if you've just started the game. But those are the most early on and basic ways to get XP and level up fast in Growtopia. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.